So we have face-to-face classes today after a month of online classes. Yeah, I'm late again. It's great that I've read first RGC. Our professor canceled the class, issued the Toda or the tricycles, because I will ride those if there is class, but there isn't. I'm so happy I checked first the chats before riding a tricycle, or else I'll feel bad again. I'm thinking whether to ride the jeepney towards my college or go home. I can't. So we are in the library. It's 7 a.m. and our class is cancelled, so we are doing a project. We are the first students who came here in the library. We came here because there's aircon. We will act like we are doing something, but we're not. Here we are doing our project. Here's my progress in less than 2 hours. So konti. The difference in temperature inside the library and outside is so wide, huge. I mean, here's my groupmates.
Magbayad na kayo.
Hey, I'm done.
Naka-document lahat ng ginagawa ni Brad.
It's our lunch time. Ay, hindi pa bukas yung kay Pia. Ano to?
Adas naman sa'yo.
Our lunch time.
Ayaw mo mag-vlog ng totoo.
Yung sa akin nabos na. This is our lunch. We're in our classroom. In the laboratory. We're in the laboratory. Hindi mo nasabihan, no? Trying the motor. So, quick update. It's been a week since I last came here. I'm happy that it rained in the past few days. So they're quite healthy and I watered them already today. 4 are growing well except the dead one, where is here. And the celery I planted, where is it? Oh, here. And the celery I planted is dead too. I don't know how to plant that. And the seedlings are still buried, waiting for them to grow. This is me updating and checking up on my saplings. This is me going home after giving After giving my solicitation forms here, your life. Hi, Sir Janine. Happy birthday. I hope you're having a good day on your birthday. And thank you for everything you've done for me and others. I thank God for your life and Kuya Leos. And thank you for guiding me and leading me in my Bible study. And thank you for all the teachings you've given me and provided. And I hope you're having a good day with us and your family in your life. And let's continually share this life and Christian journey with everyone. And hope you always stay happy and healthy. Bye.